In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Webflow using Zapier. This process will help you automate the way you transfer data from your Webflow site into HubSpot, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that important information doesn't get lost along the way. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate the two platforms so that you can focus more on building relationships with your contacts and less on manual data entry. To kick things off, you'll first want to sign into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows you to connect different apps and automate tasks, saving you time and effort. Once logged in, click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. For your trigger, you'll select Webflow as the trigger app. Webflow is a powerful web design tool that allows you to build fully responsive websites without writing code. From the available triggers, choose something like New Form Submission. This means that whenever someone fills out a form on your Webflow site, it will kickstart this Zap, the automated workflow. Next, you'll need to connect your Webflow account to Zapier. Zapier will guide you through this process, usually prompting you to log into Webflow and authorize the connection. Complete the connection by following the on-screen instructions. At this point, it's a good idea to test the trigger by submitting a form on your Webflow site. This step is crucial as it ensures everything is set up correctly and that Zapier can pull through the necessary information from Webflow. With that done, it's time to set up the action. Here, select HubSpot as your action app. HubSpot, as you might know, is a popular CRM platform that helps you keep track of all your customer interactions and data. Once you have HubSpot selected, you can choose from a variety of actions such as Create Contact, Create Form Submission, or Add Contact to List. This choice depends on how you want the data to appear in HubSpot, whether you want to add a new contact, record a form submission, or simply update a list. After choosing the desired action, you'll need to connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. Like before, this will typically involve logging in and granting Zapier the necessary permissions to access your data. Once your account is connected, it's time to map your Webflow form fields to the corresponding HubSpot properties. For example, fields like name, email, phone, and message should be aligned with their counterparts in HubSpot. This ensures that information flows into the right places and is properly organized. Now it's time to test the action. This step is vital because you want to make sure that the contact you're trying to create or update actually shows up in HubSpot as expected. Conduct a test by running through the workflow and checking HubSpot to see if the data appears as intended. Finally, once everything is working perfectly and you're satisfied with the setup, turn on the Zap. By doing this, you activate the automated process, allowing Webflow and HubSpot to communicate seamlessly with each new form submission. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Webflow using Zapier. This efficient setup will help you manage your data more effectively and automate repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!